This one right here is a tunnel, and about every 5 minutes you can hear it cracking. It's dropped a couple pieces of ice. Oh, there's a few more little pieces, but a while ago it sounded like a shotgun went off. So we're waiting for this whole thing to collapse, and hopefully we get to see it.
Do not go under that bridge.
Yeah. Wasn't that the one we wanted to go under?
Yeah, it is. Got some waves from that flood. Look at those cracks are getting bigger.
Yeah, this thing's going tonight. Probably within the next 10 minutes. These are all the previous. This is pretty freaking cool.